Hello guys, welcome to solve this algebraic equation. So we have AB 10, BC 20, CA 30. So let's go to the solution. So in the first step, we have to assign each equation. So let's say AB, which is equal to 10 as equation 1, and BC, which is equal to 20 as equation 2, and CA, which is equal to 30 as equation 3. Now, in the next step, let's multiply the three equations. Multiply the three equations. So equation 1 times 2 times 3, which is equal to AB times BC times CA. So AB times BC times CA, which is equal to 10 times 20 times 30. Now, as you have seen here, we have A times A, so it will be A square times, we have B times B, which is B square, times we have C square, which is equal to 10 times 20, 200 times 36,000. So this will be A times B times C, the whole square, which is equal to 6,000. Now ABC will be the square root of 6,000. This 6,000 can be written as 16 times 100. So now let's factorize this 16 by 2, 30 by 2, 50. So this A times B times C will be the square root of 4 times 15 times 100. So it will be square root of 4 times the square root of 100 times the square root of 15. So it will be 2 and it will be 2 and it will be 10. So 2 times 10 times square root of 15. Finally, 20 square root of 50 will be A times B times C. Now we have equation 1 here, equation 1, equation 2, and we have equation 3. We have equation 3. So AB, which is 10, BC, which is 20, and CA, which is 30. So we have ABC. So let's multiply. Let's ABC, which is 20, the square root of 50. ABC here, 20 times the square root of 15 and ABC here 20 times the square root of 15. Now let's divide ABC by AB here. So divide ABC by AB, which is 20 times the square root of 15 divided by 10. So AB is cancelled out and the remaining will be C, which is equal to, this will be 2 the square root of 15. And from equation 2 we have BC and ABC, so let's divide ABC by BC. So 20 the square root of 50 divided by 20, so BC will be cancelled and the remaining one A, so it will be the square root of 15. And from equation 3 here, we have ABC and we have CA. So the square 20 times the square root of 50 divided by CA is 30. So the remaining will be CA will cancel and the remaining will be B, which is equal to the square root of 50 over 3. Now we are asked to find the sum of A plus B plus C. So we have A, that is the square root of 15, plus B, square root of 15 divided by 3, plus C to the square root of 15. So it will be, we have common term, which is the square root of 15 into 1 here plus 1 over 3 plus 2, which is equal to the square root of 15 into, we have common denominator 3, and by 3 plus 1 plus 2 times 3 is 6. And finally we have the square root of 15 into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10 over 6. So A plus B plus C is equal to 10 over 6 times the square root of 50 will be our final value of A plus B plus C according to the given equation. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.